Hey guys, welcome back. So Valentine's Day is a few days away, and I wanted to bring you guys a super glam Valentine's Day look. You can wear this for a date night or to a Valentine's Day party. I mean, whatever you like. I just love the glitter and the glam. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, keep on watching. So like always, I'm starting with my eye primed, my other eye complete, and I'm going right into my Morphe 305 palette and going into that brown shade, adding it to my crease. Next, I'm taking this burnt orange shade and adding that over the brown shade near my brow bone. Then I'm using the light orange shade to blend out the burnt orange. I'm taking the color Secret from my Ring the Alarm palette and adding that to my crease. And to deepen my crease just a bit more, I'm going to go into the color Framed and add that to my crease as well. I'm also bringing that color to my outer corners. You guys know the drill. I'm taking my light nude concealer and cutting my crease. Then I'm going into my Nicka K palette and taking the two red shades, and I'm going to pack that on my lid. After adding the red, I lost some of that burgundy, so I'm adding it back. Now I'm taking my NYX Glitter Primer and just doing it by section on my lid, and then adding my dollar store red glitter. And I'm just going to keep repeating it until the lid is full. Once that's complete, I add a little bit more burgundy. Next, I'm going into my e.l.f. liquid liner and making my wing. I use the tape to keep my eye clean, as well as a guide for doing a wing. Now I'm using my black opal powder to snatch these cheekbones. I'm using my Kiss contour kit to contour my face, and I like a mild contour, not too much. I'm using the color Frame to smoke out my bottom lash line. Going into my LA Colors Shimmering Loose Powder and just adding that into my inner corners. And I'm doing something different today, guys. I'm going into my True Complexion Contour Palette and using the highlighter from there, and I actually really liked it. And for my lips, I'm using one of my favorite deep reds from ColourPop. This is in the color Rouge. Then I'm using my BB cream just to clean up my lips wherever I made a mistake. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of this look and what you like about Valentine's Day. And make sure you click the bell to be notified whenever I post. See you guys next time.